Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to configure and enable audit in Couchbase cluster. Under Security, Audit tab, you can toggle this audit events and write them to the log. You can enable it here, and this is the audit log directory. When you are enabling audit log, make sure you have enough free space available for the audit log directory. You can choose the file reset interval. Here it is mentioned as 1 day, and by default it will enable audit for these checkboxes. It is strongly suggested enable the auditing only for the required things. For example, I want to audit when a document got deleted. I can select this checkbox. Likewise, you can select the required checkboxes accordingly as per your need. So in this demonstration, I want to show you how the auditing is tracking when a document got deleted, also when a user got deleted. You can see delete user is there. Mutate document, I don't want this. Read document, I don't want this. So like this, you can select your required things. Let me save this setting. Let me log out. I have already connected to one of the cluster nodes. Let me go to the logs directory and see the content of audit log. Now let me log in and see what is happening in the audit log. Now let me go to a bucket and delete a document. Let me delete range 2 document. You can see range 2 document deleted and it is recorded in the audit log. You can find the other details as well, peer name, timestamp. Now let me log in as read user and see whether the login attempt is auditing or not. So it is not recorded in this audit log. The reason may be we are on this particular node and the login attempt was made from this particular IP, and let me log into this IP and see whether the login attempt was recorded in this node's audit log. Yes, you can see successful login to Couchbase cluster as read user. For the confirmation purpose, I want to log out and log in again. I just logged out and you can see that event recorded as read user. Now let me try to log in again. Again I logged in, and you can also see successful login to Couchbase cluster as read user. You can explore other auditing events as well. You can enable auditing for all these actions. Also make sure you have enabled audit for the events that are really required, because it may impact your cluster's performance, and also it will use significant amount of disk space. So that is all about how to enable auditing in Couchbase. Thanks for your time. See you in the next lecture.